Data centers in the US consume as much energy as 6.4 million homes per year. Reducing your organization's carbon emissions and improving sustainability is achievable using tape media. Storing cold and inactive data on tape instead of using an HDD system uses up to 49 times less energy and can reduce your storage-related CO2 emissions by up to 87%. Tape can reduce your total cost of ownership while supporting your overall sustainability efforts. Your organization can contribute to the mitigation of climate change by moving its cold data to energy-efficient tape media. Trust in tape, an eco-friendly choice. Trust in Fujifilm.